Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Tomorrow, which is October 8, 2020, Indian Air Force is going to celebrate its 88th anniversary with the annual parade at Indian Air Base in Ghaziabad. The Air Force Day is celebrated to mark the day the Indian Air Force was established in 1932. Even though there are many expectations for the Air Force Day, the most awaited moment is the participation of recently inducted Dassault Rafale fighters. We all know that 5 Rafale fighters were formally inducted into Indian Air Force on September 10, 2020 in a major boost to India's air power capability, and that too at a time when countries engaged in a tense border standoff with China in eastern Ladakh. According to the Indian Air Force official, along with other aircraft, the Rafale aircraft will also take part in the Air Force Day parade on October 8, 2020, and this is what is raising the expectation for this year's event. The newly inducted Rafale fighter jets were put on display during the full dress rehearsal ahead of the Indian Air Force parade at the Indian Air Base. Previous year, the Chinook heavy lift transport helicopter and the Apache attack helicopters were showcased for the first time. One of the most powerful, versatile, and dependable chopper in Indian Air Force for advanced cargo handling capabilities, the search and rescue, humanitarian assistance, and disaster relief operations is the Boeing Chinook helicopter. This year, the Rafales will be flying in Vijay formation and Transformers formation, along with other fighter jets such as the LCA Tejas and Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. These fighters are expected to be accompanied by 2 Jaguars and 2 Mirage 2000 fighters in the fly past. Even though there are so many fighter jets like the new age fighters Sukhoi Su-30 MKI and MiG-29, the Mirage 2000 jet always has a special place in Indian Air Force fleet. According to defense sources, it looks like Rafale fighters would also be carrying several maneuvers with other aircrafts during this particular parade. There would be a total of 56 aircrafts, 19 fighters, and 7 helicopters in this year's parade. The Jaguar, the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, MiG-29, LCA Tejas, Mirage 2000, MiG-21 Bison are the few names which came from the sources. For the display, there would also be Mi-35 gunships, Apache attack choppers, the C-17 heavy lifters, C-130J Super Hercules, and various other helicopters. Coming to the other set of display, we would also be able to see HAL Rudra, the Gajraj, the Mi-17 V5, and other transport aircrafts. Coming to the aerobatic teams, both Surya Kiran and Sarang aerobatic teams are said to be participating in this particular event. It looks like 2 air defense systems, Rohini and Akash, would also be on static display. The Rohini 3D surveillance radar is capable of handling multiple targets simultaneously and also precisely calculating the height at which the projectiles are flying. Coming to other details, looks like for the first time there would be an Eklavya formation comprising the Mi-35 and AH-64 Apache attack helicopters. So it looks like this year's Air Force Day would be more colorful, filled with variety and powerful display of India's air power. So that was a quick update or a sneak peek of tomorrow's Air Force Day celebration, which is October 8, 2020. I'll be uploading another video after the event gets completed with more details. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.